Hey there everyone, this is Matt for Creative Reviews, and today we're unboxing a Microsoft Surface RT. This one is the 32GB version, and I did take advantage of a few promotions which I'll let you know before I begin. I got this from Best Buy, where they do a price matching. So what I was able to do was I was able to get the 10% off from Microsoft for students, because I'm still a student in college. I was able to get that, and I was able to have this be an open box item because it was a returned item. This was never taken out of its wrap, but the box was open, so I did get both of those discounts stacked on top of each other. In addition, today is, what is today? It's June the 5th, and until June the 30th you get a free type or touch cover whenever you buy a Surface RT, and the associate said Surface Pro, but I'm not sure if that's true. But still, either a type cover or a touch cover for every Surface, and that's good for either $129 for the type and $119 for the touch. But either way, it makes the entire package about $500, and if you go through these open box promotions and student discount, this one ended up being $440, which is great for this entire package. In addition to it, at Best Buy they were giving antivirus software. It's free, but it doesn't work on the RT. It's not needed on the Surface Pro, so it's pretty much if you have another computer, PC or Mac, you can use it. But that's free, and you get to keep that forever. So let's go through and start opening these up. We're going to begin with the Surface itself. Let's pull this out. Here we have Surface. It's upside down. Let's go like this. And as we open this up here, it has everything included. We have the charging port, which is a little box like this. Oh, for a second I thought, where's the plug? But here it is. It slides out the side. And you can see it says Surface RT here, so it's made for that. Most likely the Pro is going to have a different power block because it'll need to be a different current. And you have this here. It's kind of like Apple's magnetic strip that can pop on and off. This is also magnetic, and it will pop on and off. So if you yank the cord, it won't break anything. It'll just pop off. Now let's go to the piece that we really care about, the Surface RT. We have it here. It's nicely wrapped. Like I said, this was never opened before. A nice weight. Let me compare it quickly to the iPad. This is the 4th generation iPad with Retina display, and they are very comparable in weight. Here's the sizing comparison and width, and it seems to be about the same. Of course, the aspect ratio is different. This is 4:3. This is 16:9. So whatever your preference is, you can get both. Before we go into this, let's see what this little manual is about. Slip this off, and we have some introductory information. It's a get around of RT with using swipes or mouse gestures. And here it shows the power button, headphone jack, volume, Windows button, charging port for this, the micro SD, the USB, the HD video output, which is good, and your kickstand on the back. And here's your hardware setup. Basically the keyboard. Click, click, click the kickstand out, and then you can set up the software. But we'll be leaving this setup for a different video. I'm not going to worry about cleaning that up. Let's open up what we really care about. Now, I've been a fan of the Surfaces all along, the RT and the Pro included. I thought the Pro was a little bit weightier, but of course it's a more powerful machine, but this feels nice. I like the angular cuts here. As you can see, here is the volume rocker, headphone jack, speakers, more speakers on top, power button, USB port, and charging port. And this has a kind of a matte cover on this right now, which is interesting. I'm not sure if I'll keep this on here or not because it doesn't extend over anything else. It may be good for glare. So let's pop out this kickstand and let's first move this to the side. And here we have it. You can hear the metal on here. Hopefully this won't end up being too flimsy, but here it is. This is the Microsoft Surface RT. This one is the 32 gigabyte version. They all come in black. There is no color variation as of June 5th, 2013. So this has been the unboxing. A really nice and beautiful device that they have here. And I'm looking forward to using this in the future. So, this has been Matt for Creative Reviews. Find us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Blogger. Let us know what you like, what you don't like. And I'll talk to you guys next time.